Controlling supportive homework help partially explains the relation between parents' math anxiety and children's math achievement. In this presentation, our goal is to offer you a quick summary of the research and conclusions. Please follow the links to review the research and further details. Thanks to all the authors and publishers for making this research public, thereby advancing science and innovation. Please like, share, and subscribe. Math anxiety, which can be defined as feelings of apprehension, tension, and/or fear about math, has a negative effect on math success. Students who are math anxious are more likely than their non-math anxious peers to score lower on tests of math achievement and to avoid coursework, degrees, and career paths that involve math. In the present study, the researchers explored a possible explanation for this phenomenon by examining the relations between parents' math anxiety, their math homework helping styles, for example, anonymity and controlling supportive, and their child's math achievement. Parents of children ages 11 to 14 completed an online survey. Using path analysis, they examined the relation among parental factors like math anxiety, math ability, and homework helping styles, and a child's math achievement. Parents' math anxiety was positively related to both autonomy supportive and controlling supportive math homework helping styles. Notably, controlling supportive styles partially mediated the relation between parents' math anxiety and their children's math achievements. Thus, in conclusion, it is possible that the use of controlling supportive math homework helping style may explain why the homework help offered by higher math anxious parents is detrimental to their children's math learning. Identifying negative relations between parent factors and children's math outcomes is crucial for developing evidence-based math learning interventions.